Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make churros. So let's get started. First, in a large saucepan, add in the butter, sugar, salt, and water. And place the saucepan onto the stove over high heat and heat it until the mixture boils, stirring it occasionally. Once it's boiling, turn the heat down to low and add in the flour and mix it constantly for another 30 seconds until it thickens and pulls away from the sides of the pan. Then remove it from the heat. Let it sit for a few minutes to let it cool slightly. Then add in the eggs one at a time, mixing really well after adding each one. This does take a lot of elbow grease. You can use an electric mixer if you prefer. Then add the mixture into a piping bag fitted with the star piping tip. To fry the churros, heat a large pan with 1 to 2 inches of oil in it and heat it over medium-high heat until it reaches 375 degrees. A candy thermometer is very useful. Once it reaches 375 degrees, turn the heat down to medium and pipe the mixture into the oil. You can make them as long or as short as you like. It is hard to get them perfectly straight. And if you need to, use scissors to cut off the end once it's to your desired length. And fry them for 1 to 2 minutes until they're golden brown. Then flip them over and fry the other side until it's golden brown. Once they're done, remove them from the oil and place them onto a cooling rack set over a sheet pan to drain excess oil. And keep going until all the dough is used up. To make the cinnamon sugar coating, in a small bowl, add in the sugar and cinnamon and mix them together until they're combined. Then pour it onto a plate and coat each of the churros in it. And that's how to make churros. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.